Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2020 Ford Mustang GT in magnetic metallic on black leather interior. So we'll just start over at the trunk of the vehicle. This one has the track pack on it. So let's have a look here. Here's the trunk. So a nice size trunk on here. We've got the front license plate bracket that's in the trunk here, which means that the front bumper hasn't been drilled yet, which is great for those who want to do an undermount or something like that. Down below we have the inflation kit, so that's there. Have a look in the seams. Nice and clean car, as you can see. Looks great. And I'll go ahead, I'll close up the trunk lid here. We've got the nice raised decklid spoiler. We've got the over-the-top stripes that go up and over. We've got the parking sensors that are built into the bumper. We've got the dual exhaust port, and we've got the damper. I don't know if you can see that, but there is a damper there that opens and closes to make the exhaust louder or quieter on command. And then we've got the dual port here on this side as well. So we'll just shift around this side here. Have a look, there's the rear wheel. So the track pack comes with the nice black wheels. We've got the nice Michelin tires on there as well. Looks great. So over the passenger side, we've got the leather insert with the deviated stitching that runs along. We've got the aluminum finished or polished handle with the lighting accent in there. We've got power locks, our power windows. And then down on the side, we've got the illuminated kick plate as well. So we've got the power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, and manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat. So it's got the nice perforated leather with the deviated stitching as well. So I'll just go ahead, I'll pull this up so we can see from the back. So there's the back seat. It's in really good shape, as you can see. Everything looks great. So we'll go ahead, we'll close that up. As I get in, just have a look at the door frame, nice and clean. And let's see, so we've got the wheel lock key and we have the books here on the shelf. So you just flick the little yellow tab to drop that down. We'll close that up. We've got the 55 years logo on the dash. We've got this really nice finish here, looks great. And there's the gauges that come with the track pack. And I'll just show you up on the top, looks good. So we'll just hop out, we'll close this up. Love the color on the magnetic metallic. What a really cool color, as you can see. And I'll just start at the back of the vehicle here and we'll scan down this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks great. There's your 5-liter chrome logo. And there's your front wheel. So again, nice black wheels, Brembo brakes, and the nice Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. So we'll move over to the front. So here we are at the front. We've got the V8 5-liter motor, which is 460 horsepower, and that's paired to the 10-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, it's nice and tidy under here. It looks great. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this up, and we'll have a look at the front of the car. Here it is from the front. So we got the stripe. Everything's in great shape, as you can see. We've got the pony there, and this is before we've polished the car. So this is how it landed to us. So we're still going to 5-step polish the car, and it'll look even better than it does now. So for the headlights, we've got projector lights. We've got the nice LED daytime running lights in there. We've got the fog light down below, looks good. The spoiler's in good shape, as you can see on the front lip. And let's just have a look, see if there's any stone chips. Yes, so there's one right there that I will point out. And let's see, there's one right here as well, and one there. So 3 that I see, and I mean, there could be another one that I just don't see, but that's what I'm seeing. So we'll go ahead, we'll touch those up for you. They are there, we just want to share them with you. So here's your other front wheel. So again, nice Brembo brakes, black wheels, and those nice Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. And same thing back here. That's great. So off to the driver's side, we've got our power locks. We've got 3 user memory seats. We've got the nice leather insert with the baseball or deviated stitching. We've got our power windows and our power mirrors, and nice chrome surround around the speakers with a nice pocket there and the door card. So over at the kick plate here, again, it's illuminated with the Ford My lighting, so that's great. It's in great shape. Here's your power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, and power lumbar support and manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. I love the rumble of the 5-liter. Sounds great. So this one has the digital dash. In terms of kilometers, we have 10,574. No warning lights, no issues there on the dash. Over here we have our volume controls, mute and track change. We have our cruise control options over here. Down here we've got the pony, so when we click the pony we get exhaust mode, so I can put it in quiet and that makes it nice and quiet, or we can put it back into track, which gives it a nicer rumble. So we also have music control, nav control, telephone controls, settings, and then voice recognition and our arrow keys, which are controlling the information there. We have our paddle shifter, plus and minus up the top, wiper control on this stock, and our turn signal with high beam control. Over here we have our headlights with fog light control as well. And we'll move on to this side. So there's the gauges for the track pack, gives oil pressure, PSI, and vacuum as well. Here's your screen. So we'll just start with audio. There it is. So we've got sources, AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth streaming. We'll go to climate control. So you've got dual zone climate control. If we go menu, we also have a heated steering wheel as well. If we go telephone, you would need to pair your phone, but it will allow you to control your phone on the screen. We'll go nav, so there's your full factory nav. We've got apps, and we've got settings there as well. Just move the shifter out of the way. Actually, I'm going to put it in reverse. Backup camera for you. Down below we've got heated and cooled seats. We've got quick temperature controls for the passenger and the driver. We've got mode select, so when we click that we get sport, sport plus, track, drag ship, and back to sport. We also have the steering feel, so when we click this one we get comfort steering, normal steering, or sport steering. And then we also have traction control on and off, 4 ways, push button start, and a USB port, and a 12-volt socket over here. So that's all there. Put it in park. There's your 10-speed automatic shifter, illumination. Here's one of the keys to give you an idea. So we've got lock, unlock, remote start, trunk release, and a panic button. And let's have a look in the center armrest. We have 12-volt socket and a USB down there as well. So we'll just hop out with it running, have a look and a listen. Nice growl to it, sounds great. So we'll close this up, we'll just go to the front and have a look with the headlights on. There it is from the front with the lights on. Sharp looking car, and we'll just scan down this side so you can see the condition. Looks good. Here we are from the back. Love the nice deep rumble from the Mustang. Nice LED tail lights there. Sounds great, looks great. And we'll shift around this side. There we are. 2020 Ford Mustang GT Premium here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.